French sophistication meets Los Angeles cool. This is the new March LAB Mansart Small Second Collection, a bold reinterpretation of a dress watch from one of the most original indie brands today. Named after Jules Hardouin Mansart, the architect of Paris's Place Vendôme, the Mansart borrows its shape from the famous square, a unique blend of octagon and square with faceted corners. Compact at 35 by 39 millimeters and only 11 millimeters thick, it's dressy yet unapologetically distinctive. Architectural lines, polished and brushed surfaces, and a raised bezel topped by sapphire crystal give the Mansart a sculptural feel. A crown at 4 o'clock underlines its offbeat personality. The big update, a new off-centered small seconds display that mirrors the case shape and adds a striped dial texture. Thin polished hands and markers keep it elegant. No loom needed. 3 editions launched today. Graal, the sportiest, with steel case, multi-link bracelet, and signature dark green dial. Shelter, the classic silver-white dial with gold accents on black alligator strap. Golden hour, gold-plated case, light gold dial, and an interchangeable green dial included in the box to match your mood. Through the green-tinted caseback, you'll see the La Jouperet Caliber G121, an automatic movement with small seconds and a 68-hour power reserve, finished with a custom rotor. The March LAB Mansart Small Second Collection is available now from €1,745 in steel to €2,995 for the Golden Hour edition. Distinctive, architectural, and effortlessly French. A dress watch with real character.